The louder you yell, the faster it goes.
Yeah!
Hey guys! We're very excited to be here today with the very famous Mowgli.
Yes.
Nigel Jones. Aaron Cairo, sponsor skateboard from the Bay Area. And we have a very special surprise because somebody sent us a box. And you know what they said? Does anybody know what they said?
That it might be colorful?
No. Nigel?
Nope.
They said that we will not be able to open the box.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it's a challenge.
It's kind of a challenge. And you've sent us something and you want to challenge us. I mean, a lot of people have challenged us before. Like, you can't break this board. Boom.
Easy. always breaks. Always,
Okay.
every time.
So we're gonna see if we can open this box. We got just a couple tools here.
Oh my
to
gosh.
see if we can actually make it go right. But the purpose of this is because sometimes in life you get angry. Skateboarding is extremely hard, and you would want to give up. Maybe you would even shed a few tears.
Yeah, that's true. I've been at like street spots where it's like I just get emotional because I've been going through so much, and then I'm using the skateboard to channel it. But then that's not working out, so I've cried at spots. But cool thing is I went back this year and I got the.
Look, you can either get angry, quit and give up, or you could just keep on going and push through it. Right now, Ryan Jones?
I get angry.
I know. And then you don't give up.
I get angry.
So channel your anger into something positive, like landing your trick.
Can I get a little anger charge from
Ah!
Whoa. Huh.
Was
Whoa,
that angry?
Did you feel that?
Stupid. So Angry Birds, in partnership with UNICEF, sent us this box. If you guys have never heard of UNICEF, I don't know what planet you're living on, but you should probably know about it. 27 million kids are out of school in conflict zones. Last year, UNICEF was working day in and day out to put 6.9 million of those kids back to school to keep them learning. And we want to support them by showing that you don't just get angry and give up, you get angry and channel that aggression into something positive. So here's what's happening. Angry Birds 2 is partnering up with UNICEF, and in November, please be sure to play the Bring the Anger event in Angry Birds 2. And every pig you pop, UNICEF will get up to $100,000. Let's put those kids back in school. Now, we open this box and we see what's inside.
I'm excited.
What if we break what's inside, though?
I think we start here.
You think so? Mowgli was like, yeah, Mowgli's got the right idea, to be honest. Oh, an unopenable box. Let's start with the tape.
Can I go first? Oh,
And watch your hands,
All right.
brother.
I got this.
A box inside a box! Inside a box! The louder you yell, the faster it goes.
Ah! It's not going anywhere.
Ah! Go faster! Go faster! Ah!
Oh my gosh!
Whoa! Angry
Cool.
Rider?
Sick!
It looks kind of cool.
No. Goodness, I can't believe you just did that. And it worked out.
Incredibly well.
Very hard to open.
You're so strong.
Dude!
What?
What is this? They have a
What does it mean? What does it do? Angry Birds Rage Rider, welcome. Whoa. There's like even, oh, how do we lock this?
What? Wow.
What is that?
It looks like lifesavers.
Let me get one of those feathers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that idea.
I think it's a lucky
feather right there. Feather in my cap.
Boom. How do you do, what does this thing do?
Dude, I think this is legit.
I think I won. You guys think the scooter's the prize? Yeah, right. Yeah,
You're
right.
very color coordinated.
Got my license plate.
Golden ticket.
Got him. Oh, there it goes.
Whoa.
Ah!
Well, you gotta go and then yell.
Ah!
The
Faster.
louder you
No.
scream, the faster it goes, supposedly.
No.
Yeah.
Dang, you looking good today, boy.
Thank you.
In the city.
Wait, hold on.
No,
That's how it is in the city anyways. Okay, Mowgli gave me some feathers. Okay. So apparently this is what happens. You give it a push, and then you scream in there. Ah!
What? What? No!
The Jetsons can't keep up.
How fast does that thing go? So you're not pressing the gas or anything?
Not at all, Gabe. I'm not pressing the gas or anything. Ah! Like, how does this actually work?
I don't know.
Ah! Uh-oh.
Oh, is this even on?
It was. There's a bee on there. Gabe, there's a bee.
Uh-oh.
Ah! Whoa! Actually? For real? Okay, this is what I thought. I thought, oh, I was just messing with it, and I was pushing the gas. But watch, I'm pushing the gas. See that?
Yeah.
See how fast it's going?
Yeah.
Now watch this. Ah! For real! It works! Oh my gosh, too fast! Too fast! I totally thought I was just messing with you. And
It
then
was
I
actually
realized
working?
It was actually working the whole time. Who's he getting on this? You want to get a long lens?
Yeah.
Long lens! Long lens, get it!
Wow, that's actually really cool. Look at this, nothing. And then you talk into it, and then you go a lot faster than you are going. Oh my God! Pretty good, right? The fact that this is technology of today is amazing. I love it. It's exactly what I was going for, man. You didn't know that? I feel like I could give a press conference with this all day. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my press conference. We are going to talk about nothing except for. I love it.
Can you do tricks on it?
Yes, it's springy.
Can we get a rail out here?
Can I just get one try on it before we take it inside to do
You want to
tricks?
get one try on
I
it,
really
Gabe?
want one try on it.
I'll
there.
let you get a try, but you have to wear the helmet.
Okay, that's fine.
Wait,
I think if you.
Mowgli wants to try, no?
I have my helmet already.
Somebody scratched his helmet.
Not
Probably when I was
think it
opening
was
the
your
box
axe.
and I hit it with the ox.
So you have to get it to 5, and then once you get it to 5, then push down, and then like talk in it, and you'll
Brake?
feel it.
It looks like
That's
it
the brake,
goes
yeah.
actually really
brake,
fast.
yeah.
It goes like
Go.
12 something
Yeah.
miles per hour, huh?
Yeah.
I can't wait to hear Mowgli scream.
Yeah. that's
Me
gonna be
scream.
interesting.
I've heard it.
Yeah. You've heard it? Really?
Really?
Yes.
When?
When you lost in the game of skate against me.
Why you gotta make me?
Burn!
Give it a good push first.
Yell. While holding the gas.
Whoa!
The louder you scream, the faster it goes.
Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! I'm not mad. We're gonna get that rematch soon. Woo!
When he yells,
Unbelievable.
he makes his voice like tremendously lower. I'm not yelling!
I got a lot of relief out of that one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You feel a lot better?
Yeah, I lost in a game of skate, but it's okay. We'll be back.
Can't lose the game, Cruz. Nobody lose the game, Cruz.
Who is this man?
I don't know.
I should actually get my wife one of these. Honey, take out the scooter. You're getting a little aggressive. Ah!
I want to see Gabe on it.
What if I like launch into outer space because I scream so loud?
Think about Stephen Curry.
Just ignore it. Keep going. Just ignore it. Keep going.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Whoa!
Ah!
That was gold. That was gold.
Ah! God! Ah! Ah!
My
throat hurts. I can't do this anymore. I just lost my voice.
Should we do some tricks inside the Braille house? Sorry about the Braille house condition, guys. Nigel Ryan Jones, step up to the scooter.
Scooter? Yeah. That was the first thing I backflipped.
But you haven't backflipped an electric scooter. Do the 3-stair first?
It needs IV. Anybody? Somebody? We need a medic!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I never wanted to let you down.
Hey, you actually went pretty fast just from going like, ah.
Surprise! A huge thanks to Angry Birds and UNICEF for sponsoring this video, and we are super proud to be a part of this project to help put kids back in school. It's super, super awesome, and we're really proud to be a part of this. So you guys, please go show your support by playing Bring the Anger event in Angry Birds 2 to help show your support for the UNICEF putting kids back into school. Let's go, let's help some kids. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, even you can learn how to ride a skateboard. I know you didn't think you could, but you actually can. Go learn.